What's going on, everyone? My name's Roscoe. Now, I am super excited to make this video. I mean, these shoes are crazy. I haven't been excited for a pair of Yeezys in a good amount of time. And I'm talking about the Yeezy 700 Inertias, man. Now, this shoe is absolutely insane. This is what we've been waiting for in a colorway in a 700 since the OGs. Now, the Inertias are set to release on March 9th for a retail price of $300. It's a little steep. It's a little steep. Now, I was able to pick these up from my boy Sofaless. I'll put his Instagram handle down below in the description, and I was able to pick it up through him. It will be at Sneaker Games down in Miami this weekend, so go check them out. But yeah, here we go. We got the Inertias, man. We got the upcoming new Yeezy 700 Inertias, and this colorway, whew, something different, something unique. And let me tell you, these are definitely worth the weight. Now, this colorway is crazy. You got a lot of mixtures of tonal blues and grays, and it gels, man. This shoe just works. You got nice icy blue suede on the toe box, and that matches the mesh tongue. You also got gray all around. You got a gray sole, gray suede around, gray suede on the eyelids around that, and then the gray suede on the back of the heel. But then you also got that nice splash of color that definitely makes the shoe pop. You got the salmon or the peach color drips, I like to call it, on the side. My favorite part of the shoe, without a doubt, is this milky cream bottom. I've never seen this before on a sneaker, but it works. It definitely works. It's crazy. I like the little side profile view you get, where you get the nice hint of the cream bottom with the peach and like the whole shoe, man. This shoe definitely has that Yeezy colorway vibe, that earth tone rock. It features a lot of 3M too as well. You got 3M on the lace lock on the toe. The part that hits the most though is definitely these eyelets. I think you can see it in the video too as well. You have 3M too on the back. These little dots on the back of the heel is 3M. Now, you guys been hitting me up too as well, asking me if the peach or the salmon drips have 3M. They do. It's a little bit of a 3M. It doesn't hit as hard, but it's a little bit. It's a little noticeable. This is definitely going to be a top 3 or a top 2 colorway when it's done. I mean, I don't think it's going to be number 1. I don't think it's going to beat the OG Wave Runners. I think a lot of people are huge fans of that. But I think this is definitely one of the best colorways in the 700s by far. Now, this shoe is exactly like the 700 Mauves. The tongue has the elastic bands just like the Mauves, so it keeps your foot secured in place. I think that was a little bit of an issue with the Wave Runners. The tongue was only attached by the toe. This shoe does feature an Ortholite insole, so that's nice. It's always a plus. Give me a little bit of extra comfort. Now, they only just started doing this with the 700 Salts. They didn't have an Ortholite insole in the Mauves or even the Wave Runners. I like how he's tweaking the 700s. I think a lot of sneakers and sneaker brands should do that, but they don't. They just slap a new colorway on it and they just put it out. Now, let's talk about stock numbers real quick on these shoes. The Salts were very limited. Now, these I think will be widely available. However, the demand is there on these. The hype is on this shoe, and I think a lot of people are gonna go for these. A lot of people are gonna scoop a bunch of pairs up, so do not sleep. Now, let's talk about resale value on these shoes. I'll give you a little bit of a resale prediction. I think this is gonna be right around $385 to $400. There's not a lot of profit margins when it comes to 700s because of the retail price of 300. A lot of people can't justify spending, 400 or 400 plus on a 700. Let's talk about sizing real quick on this shoe. I always like to go a half size up on my 700s. They do fit a little bit of snug on the toe box, so that's why I always go a half size up to get a little bit of extra room in there. This shoe is absolutely a must cop for me. I'm gonna try to double up. I know that's crazy, but I want one to beat, one to stock. It's how I rock. A little bit of rhyme in there, but one to beat, one to stock. It's how I rock. It's how I rock. Let me know down in the comments, is this going to be a cop or a drop for you? You guys gonna go for it or not? I think it's going to be one of the best sneakers to release in March, and I think this could possibly maybe be a top 10 sneaker of the year. I know it's super early. Definitely going to be a great shoe for 2019 for the Yeezy brand. I'm gonna throw these on foot, give you guys a better look at the sneaker. Please smash that like button for me and subscribe to the channel, and like always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.